Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find out who deleted a record in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to track down accountability or simply understand what happened to important data that's gone missing. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to click on the App Launcher, which is the waffle icon located in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. This icon opens up access to all the apps and features available in your org, making it your gateway to navigating Salesforce efficiently. Once the app launcher opens, type Recycle Bin into the search field. This will quickly filter the available options and bring up what you're looking for without having to scroll through everything manually. After typing it in, go ahead and select the Recycle Bin tab from the search results. This is where Salesforce temporarily stores all deleted records before they're permanently removed from the system. Now, here's an important step. Click on the List View dropdown, which you'll find at the top left of the list. From this dropdown, select Org Recycle Bin. This view is crucial because it shows you deleted records from across your entire organization, not just the ones you personally deleted. This gives you a comprehensive view of all deletions that have occurred. Next, locate the deleted record you're investigating. You can do this by using the available filters or the search functionality. The columns displayed will include helpful information like the record name, the deleted date, and most importantly for our purpose, the deleted by column. These filters make it much easier to narrow down exactly which record you're looking for, especially if you're dealing with a large volume of deleted items. Finally, look at the deleted by column. This is where you'll see the username of the person who deleted the record. This column gives you the accountability information you need, showing exactly who performed the deletion action. And there you have it. You've successfully tracked down who deleted a specific record in Salesforce using the Org Recycle Bin. This feature is essential for maintaining data integrity and understanding what's happening with your records. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.